And just like Amol and 200 other people, even I wanted to know, will this phone be worthy enough after 6 to 8 months? Like, this is one of the very few super long-term review that we want to do, and unlike regular reviews, we won't bore you with the specs. Like, it's here, this is it. But the table that you need is the good, the bad, and the ugly. And those are much important. But before we get to the cons, the build on this phone is better than what I expected. Like, the color of the phone pops out amongst all black and white phones, and people do ask like, what phone is this? And I personally drop things, and while daily driving, I have bumped it, dropped it, scratched it, but the phone is still in good condition. The frame is metal, actually aluminium, and it has zero damage. Now the back is vegan leather, and vegan leather is prone to scratches and might even tear if you keep the phone along with keys in your pocket. Like, see, if I just move the key over the back, there's nothing happening. But if I press and scratch it, see, there are minor tears in the surface. Now if I do the same with, suppose, a glass back phone, see, you wipe it off, it just disappears. Now a lot of people don't know, glass is harder than these type of metals, so glass back doesn't scratch much. But having said all of that, if I could rate the build and in-hand feel of this phone, I would give it a solid 9/10. It's great. And again, when you turn the phone around, this curved display seems to be a trend in 20 to 30,000 phones. Now the display looks fantastic. If you hold it like this, it feels like you're holding all display in your hand. And there were huge amount of questions for glass protection, like why is no one talking about it? Now officially Motorola doesn't say what is the exact glass protection, but multiple sources say it is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And Tron had the most interesting question.